Today I'll walk you through step by step how to send targeted email campaigns in MailerLite using subscriber segmentation and list hygiene, two of the most powerful levers you have for getting real, measurable results from your email marketing. MailerLite is a beginner-friendly yet genuinely capable platform, and mastering these two features will immediately set your campaigns apart from the generic blast emails that get ignored or filtered straight to spam. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first thing you want to tackle is segmenting your subscriber list, and this is worth spending real time on because the data backs it up decisively. Targeted campaigns generate dramatically higher open rates than sending the same email to everyone on your list. The reason is simple human psychology. People respond to messages that feel relevant to them, and a generic broadcast feels exactly like what it is. MailerLite gives you a built-in tool called Subscriber Filters, and that is where all your segmentation work happens. To get there, head to your MailerLite dashboard and navigate to the subscribers section. Once you're in, look for the filter option, and you'll see you can slice your audience in several different ways. The three most useful dimensions are sign-up method, interests or click behavior, and past interactions with your emails. Sign-up method is a great starting point if you collect subscribers from multiple sources, say a landing page for a free guide, a pop-up on your blog, and a checkout opt-in on your store. Those three groups arrived for different reasons and carry different expectations, so sending them identical content is a missed opportunity every single time. Filtering by sign-up source lets you speak directly to what each group cares about, and that alone will lift your relevance immediately. Segmenting by interests or click behavior takes things a step further. If you've sent emails with links before, MailerLite tracks which subscribers clicked what, and that behavioral data is genuinely valuable. Someone who clicked every link in your product tips emails is signaling exactly what they want more of. You can build a segment around those subscribers and deliver a campaign perfectly tailored to that interest. And those people will open it because they've already told you through their own actions that this is exactly why they're on your list. Past interactions are equally telling. You can filter by whether someone opened your last campaign or several of your recent campaigns, and target only your most engaged readers for a time-sensitive offer or an exclusive announcement. This keeps your best content in front of the people most likely to act on it, which protects both your sender reputation and your conversion rate. Take a few minutes to think through your audience before you set any filters. The more deliberate your segmentation logic, the more your numbers will reward you. The second thing you need to do, and this one surprises a lot of newer email marketers, is prune your list regularly. It sounds counterintuitive. Why would you remove subscribers you worked hard to build? But here is the reality. Inactive subscribers actively hurt you. When someone consistently doesn't open your emails, inbox providers like Gmail and Outlook take note. They interpret a high volume of unopened mail as a signal that your content isn't wanted, and over time that pushes your emails further toward the spam folder, even for your engaged subscribers who genuinely do want to hear from you. The benchmark most experienced email marketers use is 6 months. If a subscriber hasn't opened a single email in the past 6 months, they are a strong candidate for removal, or at the very least a re-engagement campaign before you decide whether to cut them. In MailerLite, you can build this segment easily with the same subscriber filters you just explored. Filter for subscribers whose last open date is older than 6 months and who haven't clicked anything in that window. That gives you a clean, accurate list of dormant contacts. Before you delete anyone, it's worth sending one final re-engagement email, sometimes called a win-back or an "Are you still interested?" message. Keep it short, acknowledge that you've been quiet in their inbox, and give them a clear one-click option to confirm they still want to hear from you. Whoever doesn't respond to that message can be safely removed without any guilt. At that point, you're not losing subscribers, you're shedding dead weight that was already dragging down your deliverability. The practical effect of a clean list is immediate and measurable. Your open rate rises because the denominator shrinks while the numerator stays roughly the same. Your deliverability score improves because you're consistently sending to people who actually engage. And your sending costs may drop as well, since most email platforms, including MailerLite, price by subscriber count or monthly volume. A leaner, more engaged list costs less and outperforms a bloated one in every metric that matters. A strong habit to build from here is a monthly cleanup routine. Set a recurring reminder, run the same filter for 6-month inactives, send your re-engagement email and remove the non-responders. Once the workflow is set up, it takes about 15 minutes and it keeps your list in excellent health over the long run. So there you have it. You now know how to use MailerLite's subscriber filters to build targeted segments for your campaigns and how to maintain a clean list by removing inactive subscribers before they damage your deliverability. These two practices together are the foundation of high-performing email marketing. You're sending the right message to the right people, and you're protecting your ability to land in their inbox in the first place. A natural next step from here is to explore MailerLite's automation features, which let you trigger targeted emails automatically based on subscriber behavior. All the segmentation logic you've learned today applies directly there. Save this video so you can revisit the steps whenever you need them, and I'll see you in the next one.